Hello YouTube, MUFC Legend here, and I'm back again in the video, and I've got a mind-boggling stat for you guys, so let's get straight into it. So, Manchester United's Wayne Rooney has outscored Arsenal in the Premier League in 2016. Premier League goals, Wayne Rooney 5, Arsenal 4. Manchester United captain Wayne Rooney looked back to his scintillating best with a goal and an assist as his side ran out 3-0 winners over Stoke on a Tuesday night. Rooney was a shadow of himself in the first half of the season, but the forward has transformed his form since the turn of the new year, scoring 5 goals in Premier League. The 30-year-old has now outscored the entire Arsenal squad in the top division in 2016, the Gunners only managing 4 goals thus far. Arsenal were held to a 0-0 draw by Southampton at the Emirates, with the likes of Olivier Giroud and Alexis Sanchez struggling to score past an imperious Fraser Forster. He's been in great form recently. The results mean the Gunners dropped to 4th, just 1 place ahead of Louis van Gaal's rejuvenated side. So as you can see, Premier League goals in 2016, Wayne Rooney 5, Arsenal 4. I mean, that's an amazing stat. I mean, everyone was writing off Wayne Rooney, and he's responded by outscoring the whole of Arsenal, which includes Giroud, Walcott, Sanchez. I mean, it's just an amazing stat, and it shows that we have changed something in our system. Now let's do this vote. Can Arsenal still win the league? Obviously not. I mean, seriously. There you go. 62% said no. 38, well, a surprising 38% said yeah, but they're probably Arsenal fans anyway. But Arsenal, you won't win the league, I'm telling you. So there's no point in trying. So anyways, please like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.